Thumb is the most commonly used finger in our hand because we have a thumb that goes across, so all our movement, all gripping movement of any kind and all kinds, we use the thumb. So commonly the carpometacarpal joint or the metacarpophalangeal joints, they become osteoarthritic, they develop arthritis, and we get a lot of pain from these joints. So if that happens, we get pain over there, we cannot hold anything stronger and we cannot do much with that. After injections and local bracing, we can use joint replacement surgery. A very nice option is regenerative medicine techniques. So if we use for example, growth factors and or stem cells in this joint, you will hopefully find excellent results, and you'll be very happy with how it has made a difference in your life.